Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a poll in Viber. If you want to quickly gather opinions or make group discussions, then Viber's built-in poll feature makes it super simple. First of all, launch the Viber app on your smartphone and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now, from the chat screen, choose a group chat or personal chat where you want to post the poll. Now, tap the plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on the poll option from the menu. Select if you want to enable quiz mode. If yes, tap on the toggle button right next to quiz mode. If not, if you just want to have a regular poll, then you can toggle off the button and then type in your question for the poll. After typing down the question, go ahead and tap on Add Option. Now type in your options. You can add multiple answers choices. Tap on Add Option for each new choice. You can add usually up to 10 multiple answers. After you are done adding answers to the poll, click on Create. And now you have successfully created a poll in Viber. Now you can make group decisions more interactive and fun. So go ahead and poll away. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.